Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app and then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. To exclude some that you wish to keep, click on them. And to delete the rest, hit this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!